Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a Steam gift card to buy games on Steam. Steam is a popular digital distribution platform for PC games. And using a gift card is a great way to purchase games without using a credit card. To start, you need to have a Steam account and a Steam gift card. If you don't have an account, create one by going to the Steam website and following the sign-up process. Once you have an account, log in to the Steam client or website. Next, you need to redeem your Steam gift card. To do this, click on your username in the top right corner of the Steam client. Then select Account Details. Scroll down to the Add Funds to your account section and click on Add Funds from a gift card. Enter the gift card code and click Redeem. After redeeming your gift card, the funds will be added to your Steam wallet. You can use these funds to buy games, in-game items, and other content on Steam. To buy a game, browse the Steam store and select the game you want to purchase. Click on the game to go to its store page. Then click the Add to Cart button. Once you have added the game to your cart, click on the Purchase for Myself button. Then select the payment method as your Steam wallet balance. Review your purchase and click on the Continue button to complete the transaction. The game will be added to your Steam library and you can download and play it. Some best practices to keep in mind when using a Steam gift card include making sure you have enough funds in your wallet to cover the cost of the game, and being aware of any regional restrictions on gift card usage. Additionally, be sure to only purchase gift cards from authorized retailers to avoid any potential issues. In conclusion, using a Steam gift card to buy games on Steam is a straightforward process. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily redeem your gift card, add funds to your Steam wallet, and purchase your favorite games.